face the wrath of my panda style? Ooh, my tenders.
Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. Today we're going to talk about Kung Fu Panda 2. This is a 2-disc combo Blu-ray, DVD, which also comes with digital copy for your iTunes. The Blu-ray is region free, the DVD is region 1, and also includes 2 new adventures, Secrets of the Masters, and the other one is called Legends of Awesomeness. Both of them are in 1080p high definition. Here we have the entire gang: Po, Shifu, Tigress, Memphis, Monkey, Crane, and Viper.
That was awesome!
This is a really nice slipcover. As you can see, it's glossy and colorful, nothing embossed. Here's the back cover. So now let me show you the artwork on the discs. Nice case. Here we have 2 coupons for Chuck E. Cheese. This is 2 codes for your free online membership to Kung Fu Panda. And here is the code for your digital copy. So here we have the Blu-ray, region free, and in gray color we have the DVD, which also has the digital copy. The design is exactly the same, just says Kung Fu Panda 2 on top. Very plain, no artwork. And now let me show you the special features. For audio, it comes with English Dolby True HD 7.1, as well as French and Spanish Dolby Digital 5.1. Same for subtitles, English, French, and Spanish. And for special features, it has over 1 hour bonus in high definition. Yeah, that's right, over 1 hour. And now, let me show you Kung Fu Po, the wrestler.
Ready to face the wrath of my panda style? Oh! Hey, watch it. I just ate. That was awesome! Oh! Phew! Have you been practicing? Oh! Ooh! My tenders. Awesome moves. Oh, that tickles. Let's go again. Your will is strong. You fight well. Hey, warriors don't hug. They fight. Whoa! You're good. Whoa! That usually takes years of training. All right, let's see how awesome you are. Huh? I'm feeling a bit dizzy. Oh! Hey, let go of me. I knew you'd never defeat my standing super still forever technique. I need a snack and a nap. Come on, the fight for justice continues. Ooh, my tenders.